This is a universal speaker mic holder for radios. I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $8. They haven't paid me for this review, and my opinion remains my own. So construction is pretty simple. It's a kind of rectangular piece of plastic with a circular hole here designed for the button clips on the back of some microphones. Now, it's a universal setup so that if yours doesn't have the button clip that would just snap in there, it's sized such that you can put these other clips in the back and just hold it with kind of a belt clip. And they've even marketed it as something where you could take just a handheld radio that has a belt clip and put it down through this, and it's marketed to hold your radio that way. Now obviously this is 3M very high bond adhesive, so I think that would probably have enough strength to hold a radio as long as it's not too heavy. But obviously, you know, most of these old radios weigh quite a bit more than just like the speaker mic combo. So I don't think the 3M very high bond is going to have any problem holding up, you know, a standard kind of like a CB speaker mic. Something like this, probably also no problem depending on what surface you're attaching it to. If you got a really heavy handy talkie, it might have some issues with the adhesive there. But the plastic feels very strong. It's 3M VHB, which is about the best double-sided adhesive you can get. So I think that'll work pretty well for most button or like little clip microphones as a place to store it.